Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get and use the medium shredder in Astroneer. This is going to be useful if you want to create scrap and trade the scrap for more valuable resources. So to begin, first of all, you'll need to unlock it inside of the small printer tab and in the first row going towards the third to last position. Here you can unlock it for 1250 bytes and it is going to cost you 2 irons to craft. Iron can be found as hematite on 2 planets, which include the Novus planet, where you can find it in caves, and on Glacio, where you can find it on surface. This is the best option, best planet to find hematite. So make sure you go on Glacio. Now, just put the iron into a small printer. In the first selection, go to the third position. You're gonna find the medium shredder recipe and go ahead and craft it. Once you've crafted it, now you'll need to get some scrap. Scrap can be gathered from exploding some exo caches or by finding clustered around broken dropships, crashed satellites, and giant rover wrecks around the planets. And now to get it done, you can just pick it up into your inventory by using F. And as you can see, it is going to be collected as these debris bundles. This debris bundle can be then placed on top of the medium shredder, and it is going to give you some scrap. Also, there is some debris that you cannot put inside of this medium shredder, and you'll require a bigger shredder, which are these things right here, which you cannot pick up, and you'll just hold in your hand when you try to pick it up. Even if you try to put it in there, it is not going to work. So this is pretty much all. How to get and use the medium shredder in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.